click Structural Inspection tab in the ribbon menu. From the View heading, click the Analysis Model command. In the visualization window, Analysis Model is created with beam and shell elements. From the visualization dialog, click the Loads tab. Open the load type list and select OwnLoad. In the visualization window, examine the OwnLoad distribution of the elements. Open the load type list and select Sheeting Loads. The sheeting loads acting on the steel purlins will be visible. From the visualization dialog, click the Deformation tab. Open the case combination list and select EY. Earthquake deformation acting in the Y direction occurs in the visualization window. From the visualization dialog, click the Animate command. An earthquake effect animation occurs in the Y direction in the visualization window. From the visualization dialog, click the Stop command to stop the animation. From the visualization dialog, click the Frame Results tab. Click Moment 3 to 3 from the Components section. Select the G plus Q plus EX plus 0.3 EY plus 0.3 EZ from the case combination list. The moment diagram is created in the visualization window. Click on the column whose result you want to see in the visualization window. The Frame Element Results dialog will open. In the dialog that opens, all element internal force diagrams are examined. Click the Close button to close the dialog. From the visualization dialog, click the Shell Results tab. Select Slab Results and M22 from the component list. In the visualization window, shell finite element stresses occur. Zoom in on a slab in the visualization window. Hover mouse over finite elements. The M22 result will appear at the mouse point.